Hello everyone! Welcome to another vlog. So for today's video, gagawa lang ako ng very classic and very simple na cake. Isa to sa mga bestseller ko na cake. It's Ube Macapuno cake. So hindi ko na ipapakita kung paano ko ginawa yung aking ube chiffon cake. But nandito sa taas yung video, separate video kung paano ko ginawa yung chiffon cake ko. So ang ginagamit ko sa cake ko is chiffon cake kasi ito yung everyone's favorite. Ito yung gusto ng mga Filipino, yung very soft and very moist and very floppy na cake. Ayaw nila ng dry. So, kaya yung ginagamit ko na cake. So, that's it for today. Tara, gawin na natin yung ating cake. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. So, for any cake inquiries, just like my page and follow my IG page. Nandito po lahat ng aking social media account. You can direct message me for any cake requirement. Kung meron po kayong gusto na theme or gusto na design, you can send me the sample design and kami na pong bahalang gagawa ng cake ninyo. So, we do cake for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. Or kung nag-crave lang kayo, you can order to me also. Gumagawa ko ng different flavors like customised, black forest cake, ube macapuno cake, yema cheesecake is one of my bestseller cake. So, that's it. Hintayin ko na lang yung message niya for orders. So, tara, gawin na natin yung ating cake.